Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change the background of your note on Google Keep. So if you also want to change the background of your note on Google Keep, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Google Keep application. You can see over here Google Keep is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the note of which you want to change the background. Your note will be opened. Now, if you look at the bottom, you can see several options over here. Look at the left. You can see option for color palette. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see several color options over here. Also, you can see several background options. In order to change the color of your note, all you have to do is tap on the color of your choice. Scroll sideways to see more color options. Tap on the color of your choice. You can see over here the color has been changed. Now, if you want to change the background, tap on the background of your choice. You can also preview it. Once you find the background that you like the most, go back and you can see over here the background of your note has been changed. So that is how you change background of your note on Google Keep. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.